how to perform beats in ballet. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Cheryl Ale. I'm the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I'm here to teach you, the dancers and the teachers, to be the very best that you can be. This is really ballet for everybody, and I mean everybody. Are you having difficulty with your beats? Well, I'll help you with that. So let's get going. It's really great. Let's go. Hi, I'm here today with Erin with Ballet Palm Beach. We're here to talk about beats. You know how much we all love our beats. The principles for that are, of course, the rebound and the counter resistance. There's a process in which you go through when they're children, that they would lay down and have that rebound in their legs, laying down and rebounding, or you could do the frappes at bar are part of the quick twitch of beats with the petit battement. A very quick petit battement gives them a moment to do that. After we go through those combinations at bar, it also helps them go to the center and have some type of recognition with how to get around their legs in the air. So Erin is going to show us how to do beats. So we are going to do entre-chassés. Is this what we're doing? Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. So we'll just do a combination of 4 sets of entre-chassés, or 3?
8.
8? Well, go ahead, Erin. And there you have it. Beautiful entre-chassés with a lovely principal dancer with Ballet Palm Beach. Thank you so much, Erin. If this is your first time to this channel, we'd love it if you would subscribe. Also, go check out CherylAle.com and get more CherylAle.com. This channel is all about helping dancers dance better and teachers teach better. Well, remember to hit that subscribe button and see you next time.